In this lesson, I'll show you how to calculate solution concentration. This is question 1 in the series. The question reads, what is the molarity of a solution containing 25.5 grams of potassium bromide dissolved in enough water to make 1.75 liters of solution? What we have to do is use the mass of 25.5 grams and the molar mass of potassium bromide to find the number of moles. And with the number of moles, we can use this formula to find its molarity. So let's start off by writing out everything we know. We know that the mass is equal to 25.5. The molar mass, which I'll represent also by the letter M, the capital letter M, is equal to 39.09, that's the molar mass of one individual potassium atom, plus 79.90, which is the molar mass of bromine. Adding these two up using our calculator, we end up with 39.09 plus 79.90, and that gives us a total of 118.99. 118.99 grams per mole. Now with the mass and the molar mass, we can find the number of moles. But you have to be careful here. We have to multiply the mass and the molar mass somehow to get the number of moles. And here's how you do that. You take your number 25.5 and you'll multiply it by the flipped version of this fraction. Notice that our fraction here is grams over 1 mole. So instead of having grams at the top, we'll have grams at the bottom and 1 mole at the top. And by doing that, look what happens. The grams unit will cancel out, leaving you only with moles. So let's do this calculation. We have 25.5 divided by 118.99, and this gives us 0.214. 0.214 moles. Once you've found your number of moles, you can then use this formula where the molarity is the number of moles of the solute, in our case the solute is KBr, and the volume total is 1.75, and that's in liters. So I'll take this number and divide it by 1.75, and here's what happens. This number divided by 1.75 gives us a molarity of 0.122. The molarity here, represented also by the capital letter M, but to differentiate this and molar mass, I'll put these square brackets, is equal to 0.122 moles per every 1 liter. Another way to say this number is 0.122 molar, and this represents the concentration. And there you have it. That is how to calculate solution concentration. Be sure to watch question 2 for another example.